Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Robert in New York on the President Lincoln 2 Plus. Robert got it ready to go for you, bud, our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, 25 watt slug. It's set at 2 watts all the way down, that way you have full adjustability to run your amplifier. 10 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 25 watts in the corner. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 58. Let's roll it all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. About 58. Go over here and go to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. All the way down. You could just barely move it there. Hello, 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 hello. About 56 all the way up. All right, Robert, I'm gonna get it out to you, but I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.